Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ray Johnson, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can actually make unsupported devices connect to 5G internet service. Now this device is actually a Samsung A03 core and it's running on Android 11, the Go version. This one is actually a Samsung A03s and it actually allows 5G. As you can see, it's showing up on the device, but this one you cannot get 5G on the device. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like when you're on 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, and I'm using Starlink, guys, and I must say their signal rise and falls very fast. Let's see where this will actually stabilize. Okay, so it stabilizes at 19, and let me go ahead and change it over to the 5G and see where that will actually stabilize. Okay, so the 5G stabilizes at 140 megabytes per second. So obviously, these are two different bands. Okay, so now that's established. Let me go ahead and show you how you would allow this device to also connect to the 5G. So what you would do is I'm going to go on this device because I want to be able to see the 5G signal. So I'm going to go on this device and this, let me get it back. And this here is an extender. I am going to set up this extender and allow it to actually set up an 5G. So I'm going to manage my router. I'm going to allow that and I'm going to set a password. Let me confirm that. Okay, so as you can see, there is 5G. So I'm going to go ahead and set up that. And I'm going to extend it. It says password is required. Okay, so it has now been extended. As you can see, it has been successfully extended and it actually showed up on this, guys, as you can see. So if I'm able to see it, it simply means I'm able to use it. So let's go ahead and take a look at, I'm going to go ahead and connect. So that's connected and I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the speed. Okay, so that said 24 megabytes per second. Let me try again because the signal tends to drop and rise fast. Okay, so the antenna is not very strong on this device, but let's take a look at the other. Let's take a look at this one and see what we'll get. Okay, so that's 8.4. So it simply means you're basically using two different bands, because this device is not very good as it has to do with the Wi-Fi antenna. So we're not able to maximize the true strength of each connection, but clearly there's a difference in the strength. So as you can see guys, this is how you'd actually allow your device to actually connect to 5G even though it's not supported by 5G. So yes guys, if there's any questions, you can always put them in the comments below. And thank you for watching. And if you like this content, you can go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. You take care. Bye bye.